اعوذ باللہ من الشیطان الرجیم بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم اللہم افتح علینا حکمتک وانشر علینا رحمتک یا ذا الجلال والاکرام. Alhamdulillah, we are starting lesson number 17, Maddat. The meaning of mad is to stretch and elongate. There are two cases for mad, Hamza and Sukoon. There are 6 types of mad: mad muttasil, mad munfasil, mad lazim, mad leen lazim, mad ariz, mad leen ariz. Mad muttasil: if Hamza is present after a letter of madda in the same words, then it will be mad muttasil adjacent. For example, jaa. Mad munfasil without tashdeed: if Hamza is present after a letter of madda in the next words, then it will be mad munfasil distant. For example, fi anfusikum. Whilst pronouncing mad muttasil and mad munfasil without tashdeed, elongate the tone up to 2, 2.5 or 4 alif. Mad lazim: if a sukoon asli is present after a letter of madda, then it will be mad lazim. For example, jannun. Mad leen lazim: if a sukoon asli is present after a letter of leen, then it will be mad leen lazim. For example, ayn, ayn. Whilst pronouncing mad lazim and mad leen lazim, elongate up to 3, 4 or 5 alif. Mad ariz: if a temporary sukoon, i.e. a letter, becomes sakin by virtue of waqf, pause is found after a letter of madda, then it will be mad ariz. For example, muslimun. Mad leen ariz: if a temporary sukoon, i.e. a letter, becomes sakin by virtue of waqf, pause is found after a letter of leen, then it will be mad leen ariz. Shafatain: whilst pronouncing mad ariz and mad leen ariz, elongate up to 3 alif. Spell out of maddat as follow: ji-a, jim ya zabar ji, hamza zabar a, ji-a. Dwad alif lam zabar dwal, lam double zabar lan, dwalan. Sadaqallahul Azim.